Hi, everybody. This is Christina Pierre. I'm just going to give you some updates on our activities that are happening on September 1st. We have Web Day and then open house that night. So Web Day is for sixth graders, 9 a.m. to 11 a.m. Our new development is that masks will be required on the bus and in the school building for Web Day. And then in my email, I included all the previous information that we've already sent out, so you can read over that. And then open house will happen that night, 5:30 to 7:30 p.m. And we're going to do open house mostly outside. So we think that'll be really fun. We're excited to see everyone. We want everybody to be able to come and reconnect with Sunrise and with each other, and we want to do it in a safe way. So we're going to do it mostly outdoors. We're still going to have free ice cream. We're going to have some fun activities for our students. We are going to require masks in the building, and there will be very limited access to the building. Students will not have access to classrooms or lockers. So I know kids like to move into their lockers at open house. We're just not going to be able to do that this year. All right, and so that's all I have for you right now. We will continue to send updates as we know them, and we still are looking forward to starting the school year with you. We're looking forward to seeing everybody back at school.